Why are there not more people talking about how fun potty time can be? Stickers, high fives, big smiles. Let's fix that. Ready to become a potty pro? Step 1. Tell a grown-up when you need to go. It's okay to ask. That's how champs start. Step 2. Pull down your pants. Sit on the potty. Use a potty seat. Take a deep breath and relax. Step 3. Try to go. If nothing happens, it's okay. You can try again later. Step 4. When you're done, wipe from front to back. Girls should wipe carefully. Boys should wipe carefully. Step 5. Pull up your pants. Flush if you used a toilet. Wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. Sing a short song if it helps. Reward time. After each potty success, get a sticker. Get a high five. If you try 5 times, celebrate with a special sticker. Get a sticker chart star. Potty practice makes perfect. Grown-ups will help you every step of the way. You did it. Potty hero. Keep practicing. Collect stickers. Don't forget to wash your hands. See you next time for more super skills.